Hello and welcome to this short introductory video on mapping GIS and surveys for cemeteries. We take your paper map or existing map and convert it to an accurate searchable map. Using multiple data sources we can accommodate any details lacking on the original map. Once the digital map is created, it can be linked to data in the cemetery admin system. The map can then be published to the web and the data searched. The map published on the web can be accessed on a PC or mobile phone. Pear can assist with on-site surveys and data collection. Plots can be located on site by accessing the map and data on a mobile phone. The map can be augmented by other data layers, such as for soil type and environment agency. Further layers can be added, such as the national tree map from Blue Sky. Pear cemetery maps can link to your cemetery administration system, such as Epitaph, Bacchus, RBS Realtas, Excel and others. In summary, Pear converts paper maps to digital, links to the admin system data, and can then be published to a searchable web map.